In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can create email account in 2024. So let's dive right in. From your home page, you can open your Gmail app. After opening it, you will be on this home page. On the right upper side, it will show you your profile. If you click on that, it will open up your all accounts. Firstly, you have to select any of the account where you want to create email account. It will open up your all accounts here. Now, in order to create email account, scroll it down until you get this, add another account. Tap on that and it will open up like this, set up email, where it will give you these sum of options to create email like Google, Outlook, Yahoo and other. I'm going with Google. Select it. After selecting it, it will show you like this. Now, to create email account, click on this create account and select for myself choose. Firstly, here, you need to type your first name and last name and click next. Type your date of birth and other details. Click next and here you have to type your Gmail address in order to log in your email account. If you want to create your own Gmail address, click here and type here your own and click on this next. Then you have to select your password and click next. Again click next, then it will show you this Google privacy and terms. Scroll it down and click I agree if you are, and that's it. Now if I open my Gmail and click on this profile and scroll it down, here you can see that our new email account that we have just created. So that's how you can create email account in 2024 in just few easy steps.